All right, the light is shining. So, focus. I put in my gas tank and tighten my 2 clamps down. This is a water drain hose, and I'll explain this in a second. But my tank is on and secured down, and now I can put my panels and my seat battery box in. I can drop this in here like so. Oh, I got something blocking it now. Oh, there we go. There we go. Snap this in like so. Alright, so now that's in place. So now the only thing I got to do there is put my seat on. Now I got to put my cover on here, and the same on the other side. And my seat. I'm going to leave my mirrors for another day, and I'm good. And then my bike is not naked anymore. And tomorrow, she runs, she lives. One more video to go, and I'm done. And then I can go inside. Yay.